don't know. Oh, I should probably check to make sure. Oh, wow. Oh, crap. You guys are already here. Whoops. Apparently. I got some interesting stuff. Okay. I built some sprites, and now I need to build a room for these sprites. I think I want some of these sprites. Please fix his head. I think I want some of these sprites to slide into the room. So we'll see about how I go about that. Alright, let's see. Truncate that. I want to make sure I don't miss anything, so I'm just gonna reorg my workspace here. Man, I need 2 monitors. Okay. Well, first order of business is change this room background, actually. What's the RGB on this? 87, 84, 111. Actually, I'm not done importing my sprites, so let's do that. Let's get the button in there. SPR Bink. We'll call this button 1 because we may make more bank themed buttons. They might have like a decal printed on them or something like that. Oh, and that's right, I almost forgot. 77x77. I like to put the dimensions of the picture of the image directly in the name of the asset or the file or whatever. That way it kind of makes it, you don't really have to go back to the file to know how big it is, because when you're UI planning, dimensions are really important. Oh, Pig said something here. Hold on. What's up, Pig? Yeah. On a late 2014 iMac, so no HDMI ports in the back. It's all Thunderbolts. At least I think so. Let me double check. Yeah. Yep, it's all Thunderbolt back there. That was probably super loud, so it's probably really close to the mic, but apologies. Okay. Yeah, that's a good name. We'll call it that. And let's make another. we've got our dialogue, we've got our square panel, we've got our buttons. Let's bring in the side portraits. So SPR underscore bank portrait 120x115 close. One more. Oops, I don't even know what this is going to be called. Imports. Yeah, so this is... I don't really know what to call this thing. Bank. Well, we can just call him Shark. I mean, that's what he is. 261x hash bank. It's not character. Bank car. 261x 213. Excuse me. Oh, what's up, Pig? I've only one HTML monitor. The other one is one that I don't remember. Something with port at the end. I think CV5, maybe. Probably. It's an older monitor. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so we got our sprites. That's like kind of the easy part. Now everything else is gonna be fucking hard. Okay, we need to create objects. This is gonna be interesting. Alright, so let's create a group, call it bank. Let's create an object, obj underscore. Let's keep it straightforward. So let's do obj underscore panel. obj underscore panels. Probably gonna there's sirens in the background. I got a new dog, and this dog likes to howl at. So you might hear some weird noises. Alright. She's doing alright. Okay. No howling. That's good. No, it's new. The port and monitor, not when I bought it. Okay. I don't know. I mean, I don't really know what to say to that. Alright, so object panel. We're gonna give it sprite panel. And wait a minute. Okay, so that's let me think for a second. Let's just create our objects, not give them any code for now, and then we'll worry about the code after we stage the room. So object. You know what I just realized is okay. These names are actually too generic. Object obj underscore bank panel, obj underscore bank dialogue. And the reason why I'm giving those names specific to the bank is because their colors may change throughout the course of this game, depending on which room you're in. Like, each room might have different theme. Oh, fuck. Or will it? Let me think about this for a second. Okay, you know what? Oh wait, yeah, display port. Gross. I hate display port. Terrible handshaking issues. You know what? All right, we're gonna just call this object panel, object dialog, and it doesn't belong in bank because it will be used in places other than the bank. Yeah, my old work was full of HP laptops with display port, no HDMI, and shaking issues with all the monitors everywhere. Garbage. But I'm glad it works just fine for you. Yeah, it's good to hear. Okay, so object dialog, let's give it, I guess I mean, we're still pulling from the bank folder, so that's slightly disorganized, but whatever. Cool, alright, so now let's create, what sprite are we plugging in here? Button. Should we change this one? Let's not for now. So we'll just, oh fuck, we might actually already have. Alright, so we're gonna call this one user button because I don't know, I already have things called buttons. Parent button, button name, blah blah blah. And this button is actually going to have, I'm already gonna give it the parent button assignment so that I know this thing needs a script that it will execute on left click and all that shit. So that's good, we're good there. We'll call it user button because it's what the user, actually, you know what would be a better name for this? Let's call it button, obj button transaction, because it's a button always used to commit some sort of transaction. Maybe it's not it, I just don't remember. No, whatever, it's fine, pig. That's cool. What's for lunch, Mark? It's called user engagement, huh? Engaging the users. Okay, so now let's create another object. Let's give it a bank sprite for portrait, and we'll just call this obj. Okay, this time we do need, well, do we? Yeah, fuck it. Bank portrait. BNK portrait. And then let's add another. What am I doing? I'm gonna create one more of these. And we're gonna give it this dude. So obj bank character. Okay. So now we have all of our objects and sprites with like basically no code. Actually, yeah, pretty much no code. That's fine. That's good enough to at least stage the room. I just realized that this room is way bigger than it actually needs to be. That's that's fine. We can actually keep it. We'll keep it this big. Lunch for me now is dinner. I had a banana for breakfast. Now it's coffee time. Okay, so we're gonna stage this room. So this is gonna be kind of weird. I've got this mock-up here that I'm gonna refer to for staging, and we've got this word up here, bank, but I'm gonna write that. That's gonna be in code. All this text here will be in code. But we do have these sprites, so let's just turn off. Just turn off. Actually. Let me get the info panel. Info up. Alright, so, because that'll give me a good idea of like X address and the Y addresses that thing seem to be at. Y68, X9. Really? 9 pixels? Let's get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, alright. So I guess on the 10th pixel. And 68. Maybe 67, actually. Okay. Alright, so we'll go back and forth on that. But let's do it. Let's. Not the background. Let's lock you. We're gonna rename this. Let's set up our room. So we should have, all right, so every room should have a layer for abstracts, which is to say objects that aren't visible but nonetheless control and do stuff behind the scenes. We're gonna have a layer for the mouse cursor, of course, because we need our mouse cursor to exist. We're gonna lock both these layers. Let's create an instance layer for our boxes. I think boxes is the appropriate. Yeah, boxes I think should be fine. Let's do that. Bring object panel in here. Whoops. Object panel. Oh, okay, here we go. So, if you look down here, you can see it's X and Y address. So we're just gonna move that until 9, and then this up until we get to, I guess, 67. And then we're gonna drag another one up here. What's the distance between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Oh, hey, this is off by a little bit. Whoopsie. So we'll call that X267. So let's just drag over X200 and 67, 967. All right, okay, cool. And then we're gonna bring a dialog box over here. It's also gonna be at X9, and it needs to be at the very bottom of the room, I think. I think that's how I, so 9261, is that how I had it in here? Whoops. 9255. Do I have space? Oh, I do. Okay. Well, let's bring it up a little bit then. Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, it does look a little bit more even. Oh, fuck, what did I just do? Edit, undo. what's this line up here? What, you're moving the 255? Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. Alright, okay, cool. Those are in. Now let's... Oh, right, the portrait should... isn't it? Alright, so I need a layer below the boxes that's just called, come on, character. And for that, we're going to have, let's lock this box layer temporarily. Our character, who... I'm cool with just, like, manually placing him. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, cool. Got our character right there, and then we're gonna need another layer above the boxes. We're gonna call that our portrait. And it's for, let's lock our character layer. It's for this right here, this little guy. So basically, that's interesting. Oh, whatever. Yeah, so he's gonna be there. So here's the crazy part, is that we've staged our room to have these objects, but now what we need to do, like, I want this to look kind of slick, so so I think what I want is for things to kind of slide into place. Now that means I'm gonna have to create a whole new class of objects called like slider, and its job is to basically on room start, like these objects are actually going to be off screen where the slider objects start, and then they, after a timer expires, they slide into place. Now, what I could do is have these, like, I could just move these objects, you know, so, like, I could stage the room so that the objects are all outside the room and they slide to a destination, but that's going to be kind of hard. That would be hard for, then basically I can't stage any of my rooms how I want them to look when they're done. Oh, sirens, let's see. Okay. Yeah, so let me think about this for a second. Or, oh man, I could use the path tool. I should probably use the path tool, shouldn't I? Fuck. Okay, we're gonna use paths. Man, yeah, we're gonna use paths, but before we do that, I need to take a quick look at these sprites here. Okay, top left. So that's what they're going to follow. Alright. So, you can close that room. Let's bring our mouse cursor in here. Okay. Close that. Yep. Aw, thanks, pig. Close this, there we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so let's paths, right, so let's do it. We're gonna make a new layer. Paths. And create a new path layer. Whoops. And we're gonna just rename this panel paths. I don't know. Straight lines. Yeah. So top left corner is what matters, and for once I may actually need to use the grid. Let's do like a 1x1 grid. Hit the snap on, and black's fine. So if I zoom in here, yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna do shit. So these are all relevant to. I need to create a group. Add group, port 1. So we're gonna have other ports, but we'll do that. And then, you know, I could have sworn there was like just a straight up path tool in here, but I guess not. Or clearly I forgot. What? No, this is all wrong. I'm doing this wrong. Select path, create new. Okay, cool. Let's move the U. Yeah. Let's move you over here. Over there. It's not really what I had in mind. Okay, so we're gonna select you, and then we're gonna move you here, here. That's no create no. to this. Perfect. Okay. And then as you can see, I'm off by like 1 pixel here. Okay. So the reason why I put this up here and this up here is because I want there to be like a slight. You should have written pig. Ah, dang it. Missed opportunity. Next time. Huh, 4 people, huh? Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to create like a rubber band effect. We need to give this path 16 is way too generic a name. Can I rename this path? Panel paths. Delete points, reverse mirror flip. Path 16. Okay, cool. So let's give this path BNK slider thing left. I mean, we're gonna know it's a slider because it's in BNK. So let's call it left panel. BNK left panel. Actually, yeah, we'll stick with that for now. We might end up changing that name later. Okay, cool. So we got that one done. Dunzo. Let's go on to the next one. Is this thing off by like 1 pixel? Holy shit, it is. Oh, whoops. Is it off by 1 pixel here? Yeah, it is. 1 second here, guys. That's so annoying. Oh, wow, the grid, it's a... Huh. Not sure how I feel about it. No, don't. What's your... 67, like you're supposed to. Okay, now don't move. Okay, cool. So, alright, now let's create a new path at x2 hundo, I think. Great, now, whatever. That might not be good enough, but who cares? What I want to do is drag that there, drag that up there. Yeah, I guess that's a straight line. Okay, cool. So that one's done. That one's going to be called BNK underscore right panel. Whoops. Alright. I thought they was not in the same Y. It made me crazy. Thought I was dreaming. Probably not. So, like this. That one's cute. Let's do that. Yep. Not crazy pig. Okay. So, we got that path done. We need 2 more paths, I think. Let's do that. So, okay. boy. Okay, so cool. Create new. What's the 256? Sure. Alright, and then your next point is going to be towards the end here, and then we'll just do that. Well, that's really annoying. Like, that... Go from the end, like a normal pen tool, not trying to interpolate the middle. Okay, so here's our endpoint. We'll do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. And yeah, that looks like a straight line. So that's done. And then I want a slider for this portrait. But the portrait is going to have a different... We're not going to do it from top left, I think. Yeah, because that's way too arbitrary. What will go on the path? The boxes will travel along these paths. Hopefully. Alright, so we're gonna put a custom point of origin for this dude so that it's easy for me to figure out where he should slide to. Let's do like maybe the tip of his nose, because it should be one of his extremities. We'll do the tip of his nose as his origin. It'll probably be different for each portrait, but whatever. Okay, and then now here in the path layer, I'm going to... Oh, crazy, he moved. He moved because his origin moved. That makes sense. So I need to go back and move this. Turn off this stupid grid and bring this down. Down, 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 down. Zoom in a little bit here. Down, down. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, cool. There. That puts them at 522, 264 at the tip. Not the tippy tip where this white border is, but pretty much like right there. 522. Yeah, 264. I guess it's the bottom part tip of the nose. Okay. So let's lock that, unlock this. We're gonna create a new. Wait a minute. Did we forget to rename? Oh, we did. Alright, so this one is gonna be called BNK_dialogue. Guess that's a unique name. Alright. Okay, now let's create new. And this one... let's zoom in. Hey, what the hell? Where'd my grid go? Oh, I turned it off. 264. 264. Cool. Let's do that. And I don't want any rubber banding for this, so 522, 264. Right there. Cool. That one's just going to be straightforward. Whew! Okay, so now we have our paths for stuff to sort of slide into when the room starts. But these paths aren't really attached to these objects. They don't really mean anything to these objects yet. Oh, I need to rename this path. BNK underscore portrait. I'm a little worried that there's already an object with that name. No, that object thing. Oh, I should have been giving these. Well, whatever, fuck it. Okay. Damn it. Alright, so let's do PTH underscore bank underscore. Oh, sounds very cool. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. Uh-oh. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth stream. Sorry guys, I need to get a new cable modem, and then that'll all be fixed. Hopefully. Alright, so PTH underscore bank underscore right panel. These asset names are getting kind of long, but so be it. It's in the interest of keeping things consistent. Okay, so that's right. So anyways, as I was saying, they don't mean anything. So what we need to do is make them mean something. So we're gonna go back to workspace 1. What do we have here? Jesus, can we close all? Let's close all but this. And we'll bring up the buttons. Parent button. We'll bring up the parent button just to remind ourselves. So this is a child of object. Oh god, come on. Oh, got a Slack message. Lerp instead of using multiple path. Then all you have to do is, oh god, it's probably right. You may use lerp instead of using multiple path. Then all you have to do is give x an initial x and a y, and target x, target y to your object. Thanks for waiting until I made those paths to bring up that brilliant idea. Thanks. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. I'm a little worried about rubber banding. It's okay. The paths do have the advantage of allowing me to dictate a rubber band effect visually. Rather than in code. But we'll see how I like the end result. I might give up and go with lerp. Alright, so what JMD's talking about is basically how the camera controller works now in the front end main menu. How many games do you have on your Steam library? Because I always see friends playing. A bunch. But I mostly play Dota nowadays. I shouldn't. Okay, so we got starting variables, my action, and left press is run my action, and that's it. Okay, so wait. Oh, this thing doesn't. Oh, whoops! I was thinking of the buttons. This isn't relevant. So this is a brand new object. Okay, so let me think about this for a second. I'm gonna refill my coffee. Be right back. 1 second. Hey, doggo. Okay, back. Alright, so let's add a create event here. I'm just gonna call this init bars. So, this needs a thing called my path equals what's the path add? Empty path needs to be defined manually in room creation code. All right. We'll say my speed, and we'll just give it 4 for now. Hold on a second. So path, index, orientation, position, path scale, path speed. So what I want is, okay, so, path, end action, index, orientation, scale, speed, position, previous, path position? Let me pull up the help on this. If not paths, can you do lerp with lerp corners? If not, paths may be better. I kind of want to just disable and don't ignore that stuff. Not sure what you mean by corners. We just get or set the position of an instance along a path. The values are mine. Okay, yeah. That's not really what I want. So this is. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, this is interesting. So, God damn it. I want. All right. So here's what I'm thinking. Need starting X and starting Y to be path position 0. But I don't really know. Okay, hold on. I need to go to the Slack on that one. How do I get an object to start their Y at path position equals 0. Let me clean that up a little bit. There we go. Oh, whoops. That's for help. Mark, if you can hear me, now would be the time to speak up. I mean, I guess this code runs once, right? So path assign. What's this one? This function, you can copy the path data from one path to another. The path being copied to be cleared first and be completely overwritten by the path being copied from. Yeah, this isn't not changing paths. Let's just go back to paths. Path functions and variables. Path start. Oh, yeah, here we go. Path start. Path start. Path index to start. The speed at which to follow the path, pixels per stop. What to do when the end of the path is reached. The weather. Okay. I think I might know what to do with this. So let's do this. We'll do my speed equals 0, and we'll do path start, my path, my speed, hold on a second. No, other bed, your other bed. Not this bed, this bed. Okay? Your bed. Just be good dogs. Okay? Sorry, dog's getting riled up. Okay. So, path start, my path, my speed. Write the end action, of which there are a few to choose from. Path action stop and the path. Yeah, path action stop is totally appropriate for that. And absolute, which whether the calling instance should follow the absolute path as it is in the editor, true. We'll go true. Let me set it up manually in the room. Good girl. Good doggo. Okay. Yeah, so my speed's set to 0, so this is just gonna start at the start of the path and not move anywhere. But we're gonna add an event. We're gonna add an alarm. Okay, let's do one more thing. My ticks. And we're gonna set that to 0. Change in creation code. We need to find this in creation code. So alarm 0. Change speed. So when this alarm goes off, my speed equals 4. And let's say set. No, alarm set. Whoops. Alarm set 0 my ticks. Okay. All right. Well, it's not going to do much, but I think that's kind of all we need for the panels to move on room start. So let's go back to our room. And, oh, fuck. We're going to lock that layer, and we're going to go to the boxes. We're going to turn off the dumb grid, and going to go into the creation code of this box here and say my path equals pth underscore bank left panel. My ticks equals 30, which is like half the room speed. Is that it? Is that all we have to define? Yeah, I guess so. I have a feeling, yeah, well, this will be interesting, guys. Not 100% sure this is going to work, but we'll see. Creation code, my path equals pth underscore bank right panel. My ticks equals 60. We'll have it be slightly behind its left counterpart. Okay. I think we can run this. Let's just, go to the workspace here. Rooms. I'm going to just drag this room up to the top so that we can, I think, just start it right off the bat. I'm pretty sure this will compile. Please. Fuck. Alright, well, it didn't do anything. God damn it. That's a bummer. I kind of figured path start would mean kind of figured my start would or path start would kind of put it at the start of the path, or you know, x equals path get x, y equals path get y, if I understand you correctly. Thanks, man. That's exactly the help I needed right now. we're gonna give that a shot. So, boy. So, path get X. I didn't see that, but X equals path get. Oh, holy crap! There it is. Yeah. Path get X. My path position. Like 0 maybe? Like 0 path. Yeah, okay. With this function you get the x coordinate and position on any given path. 0 is the start of the path and 1 is the end of the path. Yep. Alright, awesome. Thank you. So this is in the create event. Y equals path get Y. My path 0. I'm still a little concerned because clearly my alarm didn't go off. I would have seen. Well, whatever. Let's run it. I'm anticipating this to not work. Whoa. Wait, are my paths reversed? In which case, I'm not. They're not moving though. Like they should still move after like a second passes. Okay, that's. It's weird. I don't really have an explanation for that. Let's go back to this. Yeah, here they are. Wait a minute. Where's... How come I only see one path in this whole goddamn layer? That's so dumb. Okay, well, I guess there was a problem with paths somehow getting removed. Wait, am I only allowed one path per layer? That can't be right. I've got a different room here with like all sorts of paths. Hold on. Room 4. Like, look at it. Oh. Fuck. It is one path per layer. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. That's stupid. Alright, well, whatever. So be it. Okay, we're gonna make a new path layer. And we're gonna call this layer left panel path. Actually, just call left panel. The icon kind of makes itself evident. And this we're gonna lock. That we're gonna lock. Like in path, the object. I think that will work. Can you go? Wait. Like in path, the object can go not just straight. I think with lerp, the object can only go straight or not. No, probably not. No, or you can go. What the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, so lesson learned: one path per path layer. Dot. I mean, kind of the whole point of layers. Whatever. So what's done is done. Let's drag that in. Cool. All right. So where? Okay. Huh? All right. Looking good. Can we? Is it a grid on? Where's the? Oh, it's not. There we go. Oh. All right. Well, so much for grids. Okay. Cool. So. That's donezo. Let's rename this right panel. What? Oh, because because you're locked. Right handle. Okay. And you go there. You go there. Cool. New path layer. Call this one dialogue. Yeah, just dialogue, I guess. Dude, your friends are going crazy. Oh, the Steam friends? I guess. Okay, so dialogue, and we're gonna lock this layer. Dialogue, throw this on here. Okay. Well, mercifully, it looks like it doesn't, you know, dramatically change, you know, the pathing or whatever. Alright, cool. And then we'll lock that. And one more path layer. Yeah, I've got a bunch of strangers on my Steam friends list from playing Dota with strangers all the time. Okay, so path 1, portrait. Great, awesome. All right, we'll just portrait. Whew. Okay, so now let's run this. Let's see what happens. Still garbage. Even though the paths do exist in the room now. They have their proper names. Well, not working. Not sure why. What is their origin? Well, the origin... Are you assigning the path created in the room? Seems like you did new paths. In the creation code, in the room, I reassign my path. So I'm guessing, based on your line of questioning, that object create code runs before the room's instance creation code. Are you saying, which hasn't been my experience, but you know, maybe I needed to delay it somehow. What is their origin? Right, so I mean, I have to assign this variable something, right? And it can't just be the same thing. And it has to be an empty path. think, right? Maybe not. JMD. Let's see it. Okay, well. I'll call that create event, and then in the bank, boxes, creation code. Directly get your paths created in the room. I'm not sure what you mean by that, but you know what? Let's humor you. I think I know what you're saying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. I don't approve, but whatevs. We'll do this just to see. I don't think this is gonna work out for us, but well, that sort of works out for us. It doesn't. Surprise, surprise! Alarms aren't working like they're supposed to. That is always the fucking case. Fucking alarms. And other room start, set alarm. What we're gonna do is do this, because I have a feeling that there's like there's a race issue. No, okay. Directly get your path created in a room. Yeah, my speed equals 0. That's why it doesn't move. Yes, but the alarm isn't working. Surprise, surprise. Alarms suck. I mean, God damn it. I bet if I change that to 60, it's gonna work. But that's shit, because now basically my creation code doesn't work. Or, okay, just flat out doesn't work. Alright, well. Okay, we're gonna do that. My ticks, right? Because alarms are special little angels. Nope. No dice. Well, I moved it to room start event, thinking that there was a race condition issue. But we'll put it back in the create. Nope. Nothing. No dice. All alarms. They're just the fucking worst. They never work. They never work! When they do work, it's in an arcane, like, unintuitive way. I hate using those. Origin. Hell. Okay, you know what? Let's put this code in here. That could be it. That could be it. Look at that. And my right panel's even where it's supposed to be. Fixed. Needed to be in the alarm event. Okay, well, let's run that again, see how that looks, see if that's, like, fast enough. It's not really. I think I need to make it faster. Okay. Also, these are running at the same time, and in my create... Also, they're running, like, instantly. So, my ticks... Hold on. That's kind of weird, though, because, like, it is heating the... Like, these shouldn't be at the same time. I mean, I guess I could fake it by having one path way longer than the other. That is a silly, dumb way to do that. Let's make that 12. I wonder if I should delay this, actually. Now that we can get it to actually work, let's put it in a different event, just to see if that'll work. Boom! Oh, hey, we got a new guy here. Hi! Oh yeah, you're Stahu. Hi, Stahu. Stahu. Stop. Today I'm building a room. Okay, alright, so that's working. I'm gonna close that. Let's run that again though, just to see the speed. Kinda wanna have that a little bit sooner actually. Creation code, you're gonna be 15. And, whoops, you're gonna be 30. And also, we need you to be even faster. So, my speed, 18. Let's take a look at that. That's pretty good. Okay, and now time to do this all over again. Wondering now, actually, well, fuck. Yeah, it's Isaac, right? Looks like Isaac. Well, sort of like Binding of Isaac. Boy. Okay, so let us get the dialogue. Alright, now I could, you know what, I could just make parent. I could just parent panel and it'll run. I'm really tempted to do that actually. Yeah, I'll just do that. Creation code. My path equals pth underscore then dialogue. My ticks equals 35. Let's give that a look-see. Cool. Alright, now let's parent our panel object. I may change my mind on that, because I don't know, something about that seems maybe not a good idea, but oh well. Portrait. Is everything else locked? Okay, there we go. Portrait. Oh man, chat's blowing up. Thanks. That's inspired by Isaac's art, but the full image is really sort of dog-shaped creature. You drawn it? Oh yeah, Photoshop, I guess. It's really good. Okay, and tablet, thanks. Yeah, good job. Okay, so this guy, my path equals PTA bank portrait, and my ticks, we'll give that one a long while, and while we're at it, alarm 0. While we're at it, we're gonna go to we're going to make a slight change to alarm 0 and call this one slower speed. So we need to do event inherited, because we still want the previous stuff to run. Well, you know what? It's just 2 lines. do that. We'll override it entirely. But instead of 18, you're going to be 4. Let's give that a go. Let's see how that looks. Oh, weird. Did you see that? I don't like that. I mean, I like the timing and everything. It's just, okay. We need to do one other thing. Visible equals true. And in the create event, create. Visible no. So we're going to do event inherited. But after all of our normal stuff, visible equals false. So the idea being that you're invisible until your alarm goes off. Which, to be honest, yeah! Boom! That's Monday. That looks great. Let's run that one more time. That's like picture perfect. Okay, cool. Alright, well, I've been streaming for about an hour and a half. I think that's good for now. I might come back later today. Which is kind of a shame because chat's sort of blowing up now, but no, it's cool. We're good. We're good, guys. Hey guys, I'll be back later today. GGG.